Good morning, everybody. Have a nice morning today. Have a very nice time with my English class at the beginning of the day. Welcome. You are most welcome to my digital classroom, your spoken English class. Spend just 2 or 3 minutes a day here in my class and be a fluent English speaker very shortly. Today I'll read 2 beautiful stories with 2 beautiful lessons for all of us. Try to follow me. Yes, with all your attention. Now the stories. But you have to wait a bit till the end to know the names and the morals. Let's start. The first story. In ancient times, when the world was young, Jupiter, Neptune, and Minerva used to spend a great deal of time disputing as to which could make the most perfect thing. So it was decided that they would have a contest with Momus to decide which creation had the greatest merit. At that time, Momus had not yet been turned out of Olympus. Jupiter made a man, Neptune made a bull, and Minerva made a house. Then Judge Momus came to judge the contest. He began by finding fault with Neptune's bulls because his horns were not below his eyes so that he could see when he gored with them. Next he found fault with the man because there was no window in his breast in order that all might see his inward thoughts and feelings. And lastly he found fault with the house because it had no walls to enable its inhabitants to move away from bad neighbors. Jupiter, incensed with the carping critic who could not be pleased, forthwith dropped the fault-finding judge out of the home of the gods. The name of the story: Jupiter, Neptune, Minerva, and Momus. The moral: it is time to criticize the works of others when you have done some good work yourself. The second story. The raven, who earned a comfortable livelihood picking up scraps, became dissatisfied with his lot. He would be especially unhappy when he saw the swan floating gracefully about a nearby pool. What makes that swan so white and beautiful, he would say. Could it be that the water has magic qualities to turn one's feathers from black to white? So the raven left his comfortable home and betook himself to the pools and streams. There he washed and plumed his feathers, but all to no purpose. His plumage remained as black as ever, and before long he perished for want of his usual food. The name of the story: The Raven and the Swan. The moral: a change of scene does not change one's character.